Welcome ladies and gentlemen, flurfs and flarefettes. This is an astrolabe. And with this astrolabe, I'm gonna make a prediction for the 15th of December 2024, for the sun's altitude and azimuth at Union Glacier Camp, Antarctica. In the second half of the video I'm going to make a commitment too. An astrolabe is a two-dimensional projection of the celestial sphere. It must be set up according to the user's location on the globe and the current day of the year. Right now it is set up for Punta Arenas at the time of the vernal equinox. Let's see what happens on this day. First, mark the sun's position on the ecliptic ring. The sun rises due east at 6 o'clock. That's 6 a.m. for the American viewers. The sun reaches its highest altitude due north at 12 o'clock. That's 12 p.m. for the American viewers. The sun sets due west at 18 o'clock. That's 6 p.m. for the American viewers. At midnight the sun is below the southern horizon. By the way, that's 12 a.m. for the American viewers. Here is the location of the camp, and the time zone they are using. This is what we need to set up the astrolabe. First, set the index arm to 82 degrees 52 minutes. Let's call it 83 degrees. On the opposite end, we can read the time difference to UTC, and since we are west from Greenwich, we need to add this value to the local solar time. We got 5 hours and 32 minutes. Keep that in mind. Second, we need another time correction. From the back of the astrolabe we can read the equation of time for the 15th of December, which is -5 minutes. Third, set the index arm to the 15th of December. Let's mark the sun's position on the ecliptic ring. Now I should rotate the whole thing to midnight, but the other end almost points there, so we're gonna do some math instead. Let's check the time. It's 26 minutes past midnight in local solar time. We need to add 5 hours 32 minutes minus 5 minutes to get the current time in UTC, then we need to subtract 3 hours to convert to Chilean summer time. Let's set the index arm to 2 hours 53 minutes, but keep the sun's marker in place. Fourth, the plate is currently set to the latitude of Punta Arenas. Let's replace that with a plate for 79 degrees 46 seconds south. Notice the change in the horizon line, which is this one. Now I'm ready to make my prediction. The sun will be due east at 8 o'clock 45 minutes. That's 8:45 a.m. for the American viewers. The sun will be due north at 14 o'clock 27 minutes. That's 2:27 p.m. for the American viewers. The sun will be due west at 20 o'clock 8 minutes. That's 8:08 p.m. for the American viewers. And here comes the zinger. The sun will be due south at 2 o'clock 27 minutes. That's 2:27 a.m. for the American viewers. The sun never leaves the outer circle, which means it will not go below the horizon. Its highest altitude will be about 34 degrees and its lowest altitude will be about 13 degrees. Now, here comes the commitment. It's conditional, and will be fulfilled if and only if the prediction for flat Earth turns out to be right. So let's make a prediction for the flat Earth too. Here is my little animation of the flat Earth sun. The model is to scale. The sun is 3,000 miles above the dirt pizza. During the month of December it's over the Tropic of Capricorn, and has to go around the disk in 24 hours. Which means it must be due north at local solar midnight, or 2:27 a.m. Chilean summer time. If and only if this happens, I will do the following. 1. I will work for Shame St. Plagier full-time, for free. I will create for him a mathematically and physically accurate model of the flat Earth. 2. I will taste Nathan Jokley's balls once every year for at least half an hour per session. 3. I will drink a pint of Santos Bonacci's finest vintage golden beverage. I have one more prediction. I will never have to fulfill any of these commitments, because the Earth is a globe. And flat Earth is fantasy. On this channel I will post more videos about the astrolabe, flat Earth, and whatever I find interesting at the moment. If this happens to be the first video you ever watched on YouTube, allow me to tell you the rules. At the end of the video you must hit the subscribe, thumbs up, and bell buttons. You must leave a comment under the video. Farewell, until my next video.